guys, so I have SHEHDS's newest 18 by 18 LED par. One of the great features about this obviously is that it can zoom in and out, basically meaning it can open its beam spread and also shrink its beam spread. So we're going to dive into all the features it has and the quality of the build. And if we can pick this up, we can get a look at the back of it. It's a pretty heavy unit and it's pretty solid, obviously, because it's made out of metal. I have got time to check it out and go through a lot of its features, and I gotta say it's actually a pretty nice unit, especially for what they're asking for. So if you are looking for a 18 by 18 LED par with a zoom function, this is going to be the one you want. They also do make this in a weatherproof version for outside. Obviously it costs more, but I thought it was kind of cool that they have figured out how to make a weatherproofed zoom par, obviously because the front element moves in and out. You can also check that one out too. It's the same features basically, it's just now it's weatherproofed, so you can use it for, you know, outdoor events if it's going to rain. This one is not. This one has a lot of wide open vents on it, so it's not weatherproofed, obviously. The back of the 18 by 18 zoom features a typical easy-to-use DMX menu interface. Using the buttons, you can cycle through the various built-in programs. The front of SHEHD's 18 by 18 zoom contains 18 new optical frosted lenses. The back of the 18 by 18 zoom features a power con in and out connector, as well as two new updated metal DMX connectors. The strobe mode setting has variable flash speeds from 0 to 10 Hz. This lamp contains 18 6-in-1 LEDs in a red, green, blue, white, amber, and UV setup for a total of 11 DMX channels. The front element is capable of zooming in or out via DMX control. Zooming out results in a 45-degree beam spread, while zooming in results in a narrow 15-degree beam spread. This is particularly useful in multiple scenarios. There is a speed function that controls the built-in macro programs. A mechanical dimmer ensures smooth dimming from 0 to 100% via DMX control. The newly implemented fan makes no audible noise, at least not that I can hear. I cannot hear it running when I'm standing next to it. This was a much needed upgrade to this system. So I noticed the quality control is just slightly under where it needs to be. Most of the lamp's metal surface was satisfactory, but there were a few grill cutouts that were not completely cut out. So here's a close-up of the quality control I was talking about. As you can see, the metal's not completely cut out where the grill's at. Each fixture comes supplied with a power con connector as well as a 3-foot DMX cable with metal connector to connect the 18 by 18 zoom in series. So I wanted to give you guys a closer look at the new lenses they've implemented on this instrument. I actually prefer this frosted lens over the clear lens. It gives a cleaner beam spread and it gives a nicer diffused look to the light. Overall, for the price point, this instrument I can actually recommend to everybody, so go grab one, if not two or more. Thanks for watching my very first review video, guys. Stay tuned for more.